What's wrong? Who are they? It's only a TV, Thor. Look, you can't get them. Come on. Come on, now there's nothing there. See, you can't get them. What's that? See? He can't hurt you. She can't hurt you. No one's behind there. Is there anybody back there? Who's that? Who's that? There's the Pope. What do you think of the Pope? Is there anybody behind there? Is he walking?